What's up, stock investors? We have seen the first red day in the stock market. Let's go ahead and check out my 7,000 plus stock portfolio to see how it's held up after this first red day. Let's jump into it. Welcome back to the channel. Mike the Investor, helping you invest in yourself by sharing my journey and inspiration. If this is your first time here to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and let's go ahead and check out the portfolio. So now we are on the laptop and you can see the portfolio value is sitting at $7,066.92. During market hours, I was down 0.82%, which is 58.16%, and after hours, it was pretty much flat at 0.01%. So now as we go over to the week, you can see I was down 1.13%, which is $80.78. As we look at the 1 month, you can see I am up 1.90%, which is $131.64. Now, as we look at the 3 month, you can see I am up 6.19%, which is $411.75. And for the 1 year, you can see I am up 11.7%, which is $704.52, which is not bad. And my all-time will be 11.7% as well, because I haven't invested a full year yet in the stock market. So let me know down in the comment section, are you excited about this red day? And let's go ahead and check out my individual stock. We are going to look at Procter & Gamble. As we move down to the position, you can see during market hours I was down 0.15%, but my total return I am still up, which is 13.48%, which is $29.64. Johnson & Johnson, I have 2 shares of them as well. As we scroll down, they were down 0.14%. I am still currently up on Johnson & Johnson. I am up 14.48%, which is $37.51. Coca-Cola, I have 6 shares, and I'm wanting to get my position up to 10 shares as quick as possible in Coca-Cola. And as we scroll down to the position here, you can see they were down 0.26%, and I'm still currently up 10.61%, which is $33.19. ABM, I have a total of 5 shares, and as we scroll down here to the position, you can see they were down 0.66% during market hours, and for my total return I'm still currently up at 4.77%, which is $8.89. Moving down to MO Altria, I have a total of 4 shares, and I am wanting to get this position up to 10 shares as quick as possible. So as we scroll down here to the position, you can see they were down 0.61%, and I'm still currently up on this position at 5.21%, which is $9.95. Leggett & Platt, I have 2 shares of, and this company has been growing their dividend for 48 years. Leggett & Platt, I have 2 shares of, and I have a decent average cost on them. As you can see, it's $37.64 on just 2 shares, and they were down 0.84% during market hours, and I'm still currently up on this position at 35.18%, which is $26.48. And this company has been growing their dividend for 48 years, so I do think this will be a dividend king here in the near future. ADM, I have 4 shares of, and this is a dividend aristocrat. They deal with agriculture, farmland, seeds, and things like that. So as we scroll down here to my position, average cost $39.02. They were down 1.49% during market hours, so they were down a decent amount. And as we look at the total return, I'm still up 13.54%, which is $21.13. So not bad so far for ADM. As we move down to AT&T, I have a total of 5 shares, and as we scroll down here to my position, you can see they were down 0.39%, and as you look at my total return, I'm still currently up on my 5 shares at 23.12%, which is $36.13. Moving down to Aqua America, I have 1 share, and they have been on a tear. That's why I haven't added any more shares in. So if you're wondering why I only have that 1 share, I didn't know they were going to take off like that, being a utility company. So you can see the average cost is $39.86. I am still currently up 30.11%, which is $12 on just that 1 share. So that is not bad, and they were down 0.46% during market hours. Moving down to Microsoft. Now these 2 positions, these are the only companies that I have 1 share of Every other holding in my portfolio has at least 2 shares or multiple shares, as you will see as we continue in this portfolio. That was a goal of mine, and I do plan to add more shares into Microsoft as well as Aqua America, because I don't want to just have one share in one company. I just want to get some skin in the game. That way I can not only see my dividends compound, but I can also see more capital appreciation as well. So looking at Microsoft here, you can see they were down 1.01%. As we scroll down to my position, my average cost $157.45. I'm still currently up at 4.69%, which is $7.38. After Microsoft, we look at Disney, or I should say the mouse in the house from my man Kevin at Adventures in Us. And we're going to look at my position here. I have 2 shares, and as we scroll down, my average cost $136.77. Disney was down 1.72%. I'm still currently up just 2.18%, so not much, and that is $5.97. After Disney, we take a look at Starbucks. I have a total of 4 shares, and as we scroll down to the position, you can see they were down 1.89%. I'm still currently up at 6.13%, which is $21.25. Moving down to PetMed Express, I have a total of 10 shares, and as we scroll down here to my position, you can see they were down in the stock market 2.54% during market hours. I'm still currently up 53.8%, which is $83.95. Now, there has been some concerns about Chewy and Amazon taking profit and consumers away from this company, so we will see what will happen here in the near future with PetMed Express, but I'm going to hold on to this company, and in the worst case scenario, just worst case scenario, somebody will buy out or merge with PetMed Express. It's too good of a company. They don't have any debt. They own their headquarters. So this company here is solid in my opinion. That's why they're able to pay out that very nice dividend. And they also have been growing that dividend since they have been paying it, even over the last 2008 and 2009 recession. So that's why I'm sticking with PetMed Express. If some of you may be wondering why I'm holding this company. And also, I do have a dog as well. So let me know if you have a dog down in the comment section if you're still watching this video. Moving down to Pfizer, I have a total of 10 shares. This is a medical company here, and they were down 2.21% during market hours. I'm only up 1.95%, which is $7.63. The next company will be the AES Corporation. I had 10 shares of them as well. This is a utility, and as we scroll down to the position, you can see they were down 0.88%, and I'm still currently up at 26.98%, which is $43.30. After AES, we look at Bank of America. I have a total of 10 shares of Bank of America as well. And as we scroll down, you can see they were down 1.93% during market hours. I'm still currently up on this position at 17.10%, which is $48.87. After Bank of America, we look at Royal Dutch Shell, and I have 10 shares of them as well. And I have been down on this position since I bought in. They were down market hours 0.40%. My total position, I am down 2.80%, which is $16.49. The oil sector has been hit hard here recently, but I do think the oil sector will turn around here in the near future and still kind of become a safe haven with that awesome dividend that Royal Dutch Shell is paying out. Moving down to my monthly dividend pairs, Realty Income, I have a total of 10 shares of them as well. As we scroll down, they were only down 0.14%, and I'm up 6.91%, which is $49.88. The next monthly pair will be Stag Industrial, and I have a total of 10 shares of them as well. And as we scroll down, you can see they were only down in the market 0.3%. I'm still up on this position at 10.19%, which is $30.45. Moving down to Innovative Industrial Properties. Now, this is the only stock in my portfolio that was technically green at the end of the day, which is kind of ironic. This is a real estate company in the cannabis industry. And as we scroll down, you can see they were up 2.11%. I have a total of 3 shares. My average cost $77.22, and my total return, I'm up 4.58%, which is $10.61. And IIPR, they only pay quarterly, they do not pay monthly. So as we look at the next monthly stock, it will be APL, Apple Hospitality REIT. I have a total of 30 shares of this company here, and as we scroll down to my position, you can see they were down 1.53%, and my total return, I am down 1.66%, which is $7.84. Moving down to the last 2 holdings here in my portfolio, which are my ETFs, starting with SPHD, Power Shares S&P 500, High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. Market hours, they were down 1.14%. I'm still currently up on this position at 1.18%, which is $5.07. And as for the last holding in my portfolio, will be SPYG. This is a growth ETF, SPDR portfolio, S&P 500 growth ETF. And as we scroll down, they were down 0.48% during market hours. I'm still currently up on this position at 5.23%, which is $21.75. So those are all 23 holdings in my stock portfolio. And out of the 23 holdings, I only have 2 of those that I have 1 share in, and everything else I have at least 2 shares or more. Let me know down in the comment section how your portfolio did after the first red day. Hopefully everything is going well for you. And if you haven't connected with me yet on my social media platforms, you can find me on Twitter and Facebook at Mike the Investor. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.